All right, guys, let's go take a walk. I have to go get my truck. Okay, I left my truck in the back of Frontier. Yeah, you can see it from here. I had to leave it there because I didn't want to. I thought I was supposed to take it home and do some work in the garage and unload a bunch of garbage, clean up the garage, and I needed a truck to put all the junk in. But as you can see, that didn't happen. So I don't want it to get towed. Y'all know at night, or if y'all don't know, it's a gate way down there that they lock up at the end of the night. And had I left it in the lot here, I wouldn't have been able to come up here and get it. I stay 5 minutes up the road, so I can easily swing by and get it. But I wouldn't have been able to pull that off if the gate was locked. Say yesterday, Sunday, I wouldn't have been able to get in and get my truck. I obviously did nothing happen. I didn't have time to do what I wanted to do. So let me go. It's just a vlog video, guys. Don't panic or don't give me no thumbs down. I'm just chit-chatting, strolling through the lot, which I tend to do from time to time. Hey, what we got here, guys? I don't know what that is. Now see, I had no plans on stopping and looking at cars, but this looks like a beauty. 2015. I guess it's headed to the used car. They're gonna put it over there to the used car. Infinity. Okay. Obviously the used car department done got. See, how did this get past me? I normally be on stay. This got a 3.7 in it, guys. I normally stay on top of this stuff. Ooh, look at that rim scratched up, but that ain't gonna stop it from selling. It's a nice little beauty. 2015 though, that might throw some people off. That might cause a few people to back off. People don't like them older cars. And I still ain't figured out what they gonna do with this one. It's gotta go through the used car inspection, obviously. I don't think it's ready because all the paperwork ain't been done, and I haven't seen it in the used car department. I don't know, man. They tend to be picky what they put on the lot. They almost gotta foresee sales. Like if they foresee a sale, then they'll go ahead and put it on the lot. But what y'all think? Y'all think this is risky enough to clean up and put on a used car lot? A good 5-seater, maybe. No lock. But a stick, look like a 6-speed manual trans. 4 grown adults can get in there, and it's a sunroof, so it's not bad. I don't know, but that ain't what I come out here for. Hey guys, y'all remember the Renegades was right here in the minivans? Did they sell all this stuff over the weekend? Today is Monday, by the way. I don't know, ain't nothing left over here. It was some vehicles right here. I remember I walked through here last time. That stuff is gone. One or two things. It's either sold, maybe they sold it over the weekend, or it's being. Now it don't take long to clean a car up. PDI guy, he jump on it, yank the plastic out, do his thing, put it back on the lot. We got these. Anybody in the market for $2,500? Heavy duty Cummins diesel. Ooh, and the big boy of them all, $3,500. So just so y'all know, we have them here at the dealership, Stone Mountain, Georgia. All right, see, there go my truck. I'm about to go over there. Can I get through there? Yeah, I walked through there last time. Now this is a bunch of trade-in, guys. I don't know what we got over here. Let's take a quick peek at these trade-in. That looked like $1,500. This looked like a non-Chrysler Ford. So somebody traded in a Ford and got a Chrysler. That makes us proud. Somebody traded in a Chevrolet. I don't want a Chevrolet or a Ford. I want a Chrysler. Look, they even trade in. Is this Lexus? Who make this? Whoa! Somebody traded in. Oh, guys, it's a 04 with almost 160,000 miles. It doesn't matter. The mere fact that they traded in and got a Chrysler is encouraging. It's got a plate on. I don't want y'all to see that. It's encouraging, guys. What does that say? FCA have better product than the Porsche product? Now I may be going a little overboard, but that's worth notating, guys. Somebody traded in a Porsche I don't care how old it is, how many miles on it. Doesn't matter. Just the mirror name Porsche. Somebody traded this in and got a Chrysler product from a Chrysler Jeep Dodge dealership. Yes, one up for Chrysler. Good job, FCA. Ooh, this one of our old model Jeeps here, guys. Ooh, I've done a lot of work to these things. Another one. Somebody, this is an Infiniti, guys. I think this one went through the used car, and they couldn't bring this one back to life, so they might have some issues. So what is this tow truck doing? He have to be coming in here to get some cars. Look at this old model car on here, guys. Is he gonna make that turn? Is they dropping that off for the used car? What's up, man? Oh man, watch you. So, oh well then, yeah, you have to do it that way. Oh, he's just using us for turnaround. Look at that beauty. Hey. So he's going to pick up a load somewhere. I don't know what he's doing, but I thought he was about to drop that off. Now, where was I? Okay. Infiniti. Somebody traded in an Infiniti and got a Chrysler FCA product. Guys, this is encouraging news for FCA. People want better product. Do y'all think I'm going a little too far? Y'all think I'm exaggerating a little bit? But guys, think about it. A Porsche and Infiniti. Ain't no plate on this one. Okay, so let's get a. Yes, and this is a huge. This is on the same platform maybe as the Rango. Okay, somebody traded in there. Ford Explorer. Oh, he finally turned around. I thought he was gonna drop it off, man. What's up, man? Oh yeah. You good? You good? All right. Look at that beauty. It might be going to a car show or something. Oh, you're awful close to that. Oh, y'all see that? I don't want that on camera. You're awful close to that rail. Once wrong move and it's Scratch City. But yes, back to this. Somebody traded in a Ford Explorer, guys. A Ford Explorer. They didn't want it no more. They wanted the patented Dodge Durango with the 5.7 Hemi in it. I don't know. Some of our new Durangos have the new supercharger in it, so that might be what they got. At any rate, this was no competition for Jeep or Dodge. The Durango or the Jeep Grand Cherokee look like the same platform, so they don't want no more Fords. Enough of that Ford. And what is this last one? Oh, Maxima. Somebody traded in a Nissan Maxima and got an FCA product car. All right, guys. Back to the matter at hand. I think I can get through there. I need to get to my truck. Okay. Yes, I can get up here. All right, guys. Things did not go as planned over the weekend. Like I said, I left it out here. So that gate right there, they normally lock that, so can't nobody come in and out. And I thought I may need my truck over the weekend. Obviously, that didn't happen. Yes, it's empty, guys. I did a scrap yard run. I have to edit that footage and get it out to you guys. But guys, I'm done. Let me get this truck to a safe. Cause see that sign right there? It's bad enough I took a chance. They could have easily towed it away and left me in a bind. Oh, y'all didn't need to see where I hide my secret key. But I don't think nobody wants to steal this anyway. Oh, please start. I don't want to go get my jump box. Yes. Okay, guys. I got to go, man. That's all I have. This was just a typical walk around the lot vlog. All right. This was not a tutorial or anything like that. All right, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video.